Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So I hope you all are safe, and I'm gonna teach you a program in which all the even numbers like 2, 4, 6 will be added together from digit 1 to 100. Also the odd numbers would be added together. So let's start our program with void main and a curly bracket. So let's take integer, and integers variable would be I, and I will not declare I value now, but I would declare odd value as 0. Also the even is equal to 0 and semicolon. So I'm gonna clear the memory. So I have told the use of the CLR SCR function in my previous, so you can subscribe my channel and watch my videos. So let's print a message for those who would use our program. Slash n sum of odd and even numbers are. So we can write printf statement as even numbers from digit 1 to 100, but I prefer to write this. So slash n double quotation bracket and semicolon, guys. So we are gonna write now for condition, but before that I would declare the value of I, which is gonna be 1. So I will write the condition, which is I greater than or is equal to 100, guys, semicolon. Also our program will be keep running till the I value does not I plus plus, which means the I value would be increased till 101. Our program would not stop, but the answer would it means that our program would run 100 times, but it would print a message of our answer which we need only one time. If you want it to print 100 times, so I can show you that also. So but before I would tell you the, so guys, everyone has a question that can we use if conditions in a for loop. So answer is yes, guys, so let's use it. So I'm gonna take I modulus 2 is equal to 0. So guys, what does this statement means is I divided by 2 is equal to 0. It means when I value, which means 1, 1 divided by 2, so if remainder is 0, so it would use this my formula, even is equal to even plus I, but not, so it would use our else statement, which is odd is equal to odd plus I. So guys, after if I would told you that the I value would be 1, so our condition of if condition would be false, so it would use our else condition, which is odd is equal to odd plus 1 formula. So if we write here before here, if we give printf percent d even, so it would keep printing 2, 4, 6 and the so on. And also it would give here, so it would keep printing 1, 3, 5, 7 and lots of. So by doing that we directly done this, and later for our just a final answer we are gonna take whatever the last number would be saved in the laptop's memory would be printed here in our printf statement. So printf double quotation slash n, so sum of all even numbers are. So I'm gonna take here percent d uh, percent d bracket comma and the name of the variable which memory location is saved by its name. So even bracket and percent, I mean semicolon. So printf the double quotation slash n, so sum of all odd numbers are, I would take is, because the number only would be 1 would be printed, is percent d bracket comma odd bracket semicolon. So here our program is not over. One function is to be used, which is get ch bracket and curly bracket close. So here our program is done, but before checking it whether it's right or wrong, we are gonna save it. So I would save it as for odd even dot c. So guys, also whenever we do this, which means I have to say save it, we usually sometimes anyone gives this space between the numbers, so it gives illegal file name, so he doesn't know how to save the file. So we are gonna just do is not give a space in. We can save it with any name, but it should not contain a space. And also the saved file name should be meaningful, guys. If some you would save it for 1, for 2, for 3, and if anyone told open for odd even program, which we have done 1 200 1, open it, so you would keep searching for 1, open for 1, for 2, for 3, and so on. So guys, the name for which you save a file should be meaningful. So here our program is safe. Yes, overwrite. So I would like to, but first I would check whether it's something wrong or not. According to me, I think so I'm right. So let's check what our compiler says. So 0. So guys, you can see some of the odd and the even numbers are, sum of all even numbers is 2550, and the sum of all odd numbers is 2500, guys. So here our program is completely done, guys. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe my video, and also comment, and also wait for my next video, which would be of any Floyd pattern of 1 2 3 4 5. Also it reflects would be printed like a pyramid. So guys, also stay in your homes. Also please subscribe to my channel. So bye guys.